Large language models are expert at one thing more than any other: language. They have read so much text and have identified patterns in language so well, they can do wonders when it comes to manipulating text. Semantic filtering is a prompt engineering technique designed to leverage this incredible ability to manipulate information in a given text. Oftentimes, we would come across scenarios where a piece of text has some information that we would rather edit out. The reasons for doing so can be plenty. The text is too lengthy, but there is summarization available to do that, which can do the job pretty well. So, what's the point of this semantic filter? Well, it is helpful if, let's say, there is irrelevant information present in the text. Say you are trying to explain a science concept to your younger brother, and the article on Wikipedia is full of mathematical formulas which he wouldn't understand or would not be interested in. Trying to edit it before sending edited text might be impractical, as you don't have that much time to do so. So why not seek help of a language expert? Just paste the section in your favorite large language model like ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the article without mathematical concepts. Press enter and voila, you have the rewritten article available to use. In case you're wondering, can it be that simple? Well, yes, it is. The key statement for this pattern is just an instruction to filter out stuff you don't need. Like, filter this information to remove X, where X is an appropriate definition of what you need removed, like names and dates or costs greater than $100. The pattern can be applied with slight variations to a ton of scenarios. Let's say you are trying to generate marketing material for a product using its product data sheets. You have identified a bunch of potential market segments that would be interested in your products. You can use this filter to create a generic description of your product and then apply a semantic filter to remove concepts that your chosen audience segment would not be interested in. Like most household women would not be interested in how many seconds it takes for the car to go from 0 to 100 miles per hour. They would be more interested in comfort and safety, while younger men would be very interested in the acceleration, and older customers would want to know about fuel economy. An even better example I came across was removing information from a medical record that would help identify that the person has diabetes. This so beautifully sums up what masters of text and knowledge large language models are, as it would remove all medicines, symptoms, and any other information that can help someone figure out that the subject has diabetes. It uses its immense internet knowledge to filter out such information. Even better, you can instruct it to provide reasoning for why is it removing certain information, and it will provide you detailed information on how someone could use certain information to identify diabetes symptoms like increased thirst and fatigue, or medicines usually administered to diabetes patients. I don't think I can come up with a better example for this pattern myself. You can apply this pattern to research certain products, like let's say you are trying to identify a hotel to stay during your vacations to nearby city, and you would want to exclude certain options based on a variety of attributes, like too expensive, far from transit, less than 3 stars, not having a pool, and it would fully understand your instructions and apply the appropriate filters. That's about it for semantic filter prompt pattern, a very easy and intuitive one which you can easily apply regularly in your routine tasks. I like this as it is one of those which you don't need to forcefully remember. If you found the video useful, please like and share and consider subscribing to channel. Thank you.